Do you ever wonder when you get work submitted digitally if it is the child's own work, or if there's copy and paste involved in it, or if it has been generated by AI? Now, I have a document here which I've created, and I will admit some of it I typed myself, and there are two pieces of it that I've copied and pasted. Now, there is a feature in Brisk that does check for copying and pasting, and it will show you stroke by stroke the student's work. It does have an AI checker, but it has a health warning on itself that it is not very reliable. Literally wouldn't hold up in a court of law if it came to it. So what do? Google Doc, Brisk icon. Now this only works with Google Docs. It doesn't work with Google Slides or anything like that. So I go Inspect Writing, and this screen pops up in front of me. Now already, see those two symbols there? They're the symbol for pastes, copy paste. So if you have a lot of those across the bottom, you know a lot of the document is being copied and pasted, right? You can set the speed at which it goes through it. So we'll reduce it there to 630, 30 times faster than what it was typed. It'll tell you how long it took to type it or do the document, and tell you how many edits were made as well. So if we just play through it there, you can see it going through as I type. All right. Now, you can see I go back over there again in a minute now. So every time you type, it's counted as an edit. So there was 274 keystrokes. There's the last one. It's highlighted. Now to go back to the other paste, you just move the slider back, and you can see how much that was copied and pasted as well. So it does give you an idea of how the student's work was done. Now, there is a good chance sometimes with the copy and paste that they did come from AI, but trying to prove that is a totally different matter. There is an AI checker here. Look, I will show it, but it's not very reliable. So in other words, it says AI writing possible, and it says itself in its own health warning, these results are imperfect, but display an estimation of the likelihood of AI writing being present. Now, the document that I took this information from was a document that I did generate by AI myself, all right, it was from Teachmate AI. It was for a concept explainer. So AI writing being possible is near enough, but as I say, it's not reliable. Any of the AI checkers don't seem to be reliable, but it just gives you an indication of a student's work, whether it's copied and pasted or whether it's own work.